Today I'm going to show you how to add a new tab button to Chrome, and more importantly, what to do if that button seems to be missing. This is a super simple Chrome tutorial, but it can save you a lot of frustration when you just want to open a new page quickly. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top of the browser where your tabs are displayed. Right next to your current open tabs, you should see a small plus icon. That plus icon is the new tab button. It's one of the easiest tools in Chrome, and it lets you open a fresh tab instantly without typing anything in the address bar. To use it, simply click the plus icon once. A new tab will open immediately, and you can start browsing, searching, or typing in a website address right away. This is the fastest manual way to open a new tab, and it works in every standard Chrome window. Now, if you prefer using your keyboard, there's an even faster shortcut. Press Ctrl and T together on Windows or Chromebook, and Chrome will open a new tab instantly. If you're on a Mac, use Command and T instead. This shortcut is especially helpful if you open tabs often throughout the day, because it keeps your workflow moving without needing to touch the mouse. But what if you don't see the new tab button at all? Don't worry, that can happen for a few simple reasons. The first thing to try is maximizing the Chrome window. If your browser is too small, some toolbar elements can appear cramped or hidden. Just expand the window to full size and check the top bar again. In many cases, the plus button will reappear immediately. If that doesn't fix it, try closing Chrome completely and restarting it. Sometimes a quick restart clears up display glitches and brings the toolbar back to normal. Once Chrome reopens, check again for the plus icon near your tabs. If the button still seems missing, you can try resetting the Chrome layout. To do that, click the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Settings. From there, scroll to Reset Settings and choose Restore Settings to their original defaults. This can help fix browser layout issues and restore toolbar items that may have been hidden or changed. Just keep in mind that resetting Chrome may also change some other settings, so only use this option if the missing tab button problem continues after the easier fixes. In most cases, simply maximizing the window or restarting Chrome is enough. So to quickly recap, open Chrome, look for the plus icon next to your tabs, click it to open a new tab, or use Ctrl plus T as a shortcut. And if the button is missing, maximize Chrome, restart it, or reset the layout if needed. That's really all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Chrome and computer tips, and I'll see you in the next video.